What's up, everyone? This is the Dimple Pops and Dimple Pops Deluxe. Yep, these are great therapy tools for those who are on the autism spectrum. Yep, I'm someone who has autism, and also we're going to play these fidget toys real quick. You see, these are good, helping those with autism with their fine motor skills and motor planning. My little sister is working to become a occupational therapist. I recommend these for occupational therapy for those with autism. These are by the company called Fat Brain Toys. It's who made these two toys. I highly recommend these as a fidget toy for those with autism. See ya.